All right, Sunday astrology time. Shane here, daily-astrocat.com. And what do I got for you? Well, here to make you laugh and here to give you some astrology. So why not, right? At least I made somebody laugh yesterday. Oh, charity soccer. Let's just say, I'm sore, and it was fun. And I did make the area administrative assistant laugh because I just happened to lose my balance and fall over. So that was somebody's delight. All right. So anyway. It's just pretty funny. Shoulder's a little sore from it, but other than that, okay. No worse for the wear. And, as far as hurting my pride or anything like that, there's no ego involved, right? It's just fine. It's fun. Okay. Now, look, the sun's going to... Moon in Sagittarius is void of course at 12:42, and it enters Capricorn at 12:53. That's a very short void of course, right? You don't want it, but you gotta this morning, okay? What's that? Well, you're trying to adjust to changes in the weather or changes in your own body. So, and this morning is a test of our willpower. Make a deal with yourself and a bottle of your preferred pain reliever. Today isn't for creativity, but it's good for working with creative approaches. How do you like that? I like that. By this evening, something clicks into place, and we feel uplifted. This is a nice state of being, and the key word is between. Now, what are we between? I don't know. It just seems like we're between, where we want to go and where we're going, and this is just one other station point along the way where we could feel ourselves pulling into the station. We're arriving, okay? The color is dark chocolate. Now, some of us are paying for our own intensity yesterday. Yeah, this guy. There's a reward that seems imminent today that will set us up nicely for tomorrow's workday. Yeah, there is going to be... Tomorrow is a focused moon in Capricorn. Just a little sneak peek, okay? Now, the owls outside announce their presence to the world. It's always nice. They're sonorous. I like it. Halloween approaches, and in case you're wondering, the owls... They make me smile every night when I hear them. The hoots carry a wisdom that remind us that, we're not alone when we're up into the late night. There's all sorts of creatures out there, right? Just in time for Halloween. All right. And there is a short void of course moon today, and that is good. The Sagittarius-to-Capricorn transition is one of great joy and expectation. Think of where it's at in the year, right? Right. Yule, Christmas time. So, it's like that season, right? Our hopes and expectations are either met or we're reminded that there is still work to be done. But for today, on a Sunday, look, you know what needs to get done. Just make sure you get to it, okay? That's what the moon in Capricorn really wants you to do. That moon in Sagittarius in the morning is going to be like, oh, no. I want brunch and mimosas and everything. You'll be sick. Okay, don't do it. Okay, don't make yourself ill in the morning and go nuts. Take a deep breath and just know that is over at 12, was it 53? 12:53. Okay, normally I don't ascribe hard lines to when the moons go into phases and stuff like that. Capricorn toes a very hard line. 12:53. All right, and take your intensity and let it settle into the cooler, calmer vibe and demeanor of the moon in Capricorn, okay? Stay disciplined in the face of disorder, and the results, they speak for themselves. So... keeping this one very short, okay? In 1949, get this, okay? In 1949, U.S. President Harry Truman increases the minimum wage from 40 cents an hour to 75 cents an hour. Living large. And our birth is one of my favorite things to point out to people. Edward W. Brooke. He was born in 1919. He died in 2015. He's an American politician. Now, I very rarely cover these folks. And he was the first popularly elected African American to the U.S. Senate. And where was he from? Massachusetts, 1967 to 1979. He was born in Washington, D.C. For all you thinking that this is a hotbed of liberalism, we've had more than our share of Republican governors and a Republican senator. So there you have it. That's what we have for you. Let's recap this, okay? The color is dark chocolate, and the key word is between, as in betwixt and between. I like that very much. Sounds very Halloweenish, right? Like those owls outside. All right, so appreciate and love every single one of you. Thank you so much, okay? I've been so busy, the comments and stuff like that. They seem to be slowing down. I don't know if it's because I'm slowing down and responding to them, and it's my fault, or just anything else, but just please say hello, drop a smile, drop a heart, drop a cat. That's fine. Cats are fine by me. They gravitate towards me anyway, so that'll be great. We gave you between, we gave you dark chocolate, and today is a 5. Happy astrocatting.